Hello everyone, here is a bit of an unboxing from all of the Boxing Day shopping that I did. I promised myself I wouldn't buy anything on Boxing Day in the sales, so naturally I have 4 parcels coming. This is the first, it's the 1st of January while I'm filming this, but with the way the post is at the moment, by the time this video is up, it'll probably be like a week or two from now, and I'll just make sure I put everything in the one video. So this one is from Giraffe. They had a great sale. They usually do have really good Boxing Day sales. I feel like last year was probably a little bit better, but this year I just grabbed some things that I had my eyes on as it was, and then they were on sale, and just a few more things to fill up my collection. Ooh, let's have a look-see. I'm going to remove my invoice with my address on it. Okie dokie, so here is what I got. Now, I didn't get these for me, I got these for Mum because she has been trying to find bits and pieces from this collection. It ended up selling out as soon as it went on sale at every online shop. Mum, I am going to open it. Well, maybe not with the big scissors. I'll open it just to have a look-see because I really want to see what's in this one too. I love crepe paper. I feel like they're a bit hard to find here in Oz. Their designs are just so cute. So this is their sticker book. Oh, it's very cute. Mum is going to love these. The little houses are adorable. They're just so cute. Very cute. So that one is for Mum. This one is for me. So when these little dies go on sale, I do try to grab them. I do like having the little mini stamp set to have its matching die. Usually when I use them for cards, I do quite a few of them, and cutting them out can be a little bit tedious, so I do enjoy using the dies to make sure everything is nice and neat. So I should have another one. Yeah, I've got some more in here too. So these were nice and cheap. They were maybe $3 or $4 each, and so I just thought I would grab them to add to my collection. So I've got the germ-free bear, the big acorn, and the Seriously Awesome. This one I have been looking at for a little while, and for once, one of my crafty friends enabled me to purchase this instead of me being the enabler. So I saw a few things that she had made with this, and it was absolutely stunning. So when it went on sale, I couldn't help myself. It is an embossing folder, so let's have a quick look. I don't really have many embossing folders. They're not my favorite thing to work with. But the way that this makes paper look like a sweater is magical. I highly recommend that you look it up. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I really can't wait to use this. I know it probably won't be used until next year, but I already have an idea for what I want to do for all of my Christmas cards next year. It's the 1st of January. I'm planning for the end of the year. But it's really, really cute. I can't wait to use that. Next, I have these Catherine Pooler Nordic borders. They are really, really cute. I've been looking at a few different stamps in these patterns, but I really like that these are individual so that I can repeat the pattern if I want, or only use 1 or 2 of them. They're just all so cute. And last, this is the last one. This is a Pink Fresh Studio rubber stamp. I'm not really a big fan of rubber stamps, but this design was really cute and I really wanted to buy this last year. Convinced myself not to, and then it ended up back in my cart this year. So I thought, I still want it. I've thought about it for a long time. I love that you can remove individual pieces or use the whole thing. I've seen a lot of cards with this and it just looked really, really pretty. So I couldn't resist this one any longer. So this was all from Giraffe. I have a couple more orders coming that I will pop in what to you will be in a second. But for me will probably be days or weeks. So there we go. Order number 1. Okay, so we are here for part 2. So this one has just arrived. I think it's like the 6th of January now. I can't keep up with these dates. So it's a few days later. This parcel is from Scrap Dragon. There is a lot of lawn fawn in here. They had a really good sale and there was a few pieces that I had been looking at to add to my collection for a very long time. They are really good at stocking things that are super old. Maybe they're just hanging around and haven't sold, or maybe they do restock them frequently. But the prices of these were really good and I thought it was just a really good way to fill out some of my collection. So I got some square cross-stitch stackables. I have been looking at these for a long time. Just the squares in general. I would have rather just had the stitched ones rather than the cross stitch. But this was what was there. They were a pretty good price. I think they were maybe half price. I don't have any of the squares yet, so I thought it would just be good to add to my collection. So next I got this little die. The dies for the mini stamp sets were maybe $3 or $4 each. I can't remember exactly how much this one was. It was maybe $3.80, but I do try to grab the matching dies to all my tiny stamps when they're on sale. Just again, so I can fill out my collection and have all of my little stamps have their matching dies. These ones were super cheap too, and I do have the matching dies for the big Perfectly Wicked stamp set, but this is for the add-on, and I always planned on getting this because the cattails are really tricky for me to fussy cut, and I really like the idea of having the neat details on the little things that go into the cauldron. This was a ridiculous price. I think this was down to less than $13. The tropical one was still much more expensive. It wasn't full price though. I think it was maybe 20-something dollars. But for this one to be so cheap, I couldn't help but grab it. I have really wanted to get this one. I feel like I can make some really cute things with this. I just grabbed in the last parcel that sweater embossing folder, and I think maybe this over the top of it would look really cute. I've got some ideas running through my head already. I'm really excited to have this one. Now, this stamp set I have been meaning to get for a long time. I don't have any of the Lawn Fawn bunnies yet. It's a bit crazy that I don't have them. The Easter sets, for some reason, just don't really grab my attention. We do celebrate Easter, but I feel like the other events like Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Halloween, they stand out for me a lot more in our like gift-giving, card-giving, crafting times of the year. I don't really do a lot of Easter crafts. But every year that Easter comes around, I'm always like, no, I'm sad I don't have any bunny stamps. So this one has been on my list for a while, mostly because there are different poses. It is just really, really cute. So I'm glad I've got some bunnies, and I love the little garden bed. And honestly, I really think I'll probably use some of these images with my mice, because the mice just get up to all the trouble across all the additional images from the stamp sets. I love that little piece of carrot cake. That is just too cute. So that is Scrap Dragon's details if you're interested, and there's a little VIP 5 code on the back. 5% off is quite handy when your orders are ridiculously big. I should know from in the past. This was where I used to grab all of my Lawn Fawn stuff from before I became a magic maker for hobby hoppers. Okie dokie, so what have we got left? Okay, so I grabbed another alphabet stamp set. This one was, I think this was the most expensive thing out of the whole order, and I think it was maybe just over $20. But I love this so much. It just reminds me of the Ray Dunn font. I feel like you can make cards look a little bit fancy with this. I feel like it looks really nice for Christmas cards as well. Merry Christmas written out in this font just looks really pretty. So yeah, it's just another font to play with. And lastly, I got the Happy Wedding stamp set, and this has been on my list forever. I think this has been in and out of my cart every time I've ever purchased Lawn Fawn things. I don't know why I haven't grabbed it yet. I think because a lot of people within our circle, not all of our friends are married, but no one is getting married anytime soon, as far as we know. So I haven't really had a need for this. It's just been a want. But I can always make cards and give them to other people who have weddings and engagement parties to go to. And I just couldn't help but get my hands on this one. So there we have it. That is what I grabbed from the Boxing Day sale from Scrap Dragon. I think I've got one more parcel coming, which you will see in just a second. Okay, so here is the last of the Boxing Day sales. I did also get clothes, but I won't show you that. It's not as interesting as cutesy crafty stuff. This one is from a small Adelaide-based business, if I remember correctly, called Keepers of the Suns, and everything that Jasmine makes is beautiful. For reference, this is the place where I got my little fairy wing earrings. I'll make sure I pop a little video of what they look like here. They are stunning. I didn't get earrings this time. I did just grab a couple of other things in the Boxing Day sale. I do believe she is doing a pre-order for restocking those earrings if you're interested. I will make sure all the links are below for these places that I'm buying from, but I just love everything she makes. Her drawing style is very, very cute. And I can see that here is one of the stickers, and I'm sad that I'm going to have to chop it up. It's just adorable. Okie dokie, so I did have to remove the packing slip that had my address on it, but I didn't get to quite see what is in here. So, oh my gosh, this is adorable. So as you know, I've been planning again, and washi tape is just one of my weaknesses. And these little, I think they're whale sharks. Yeah, they are. They are just so cute. I will pop this in my planner sometime soon so that you can see the design, but just look at those happy faces. Everything of hers just seems so happy and I love it. Look at the packaging on this. Just so cute. Okay, so let's open this up and have a look. Again, I hate ripping these stickers. They're so beautiful. Okie dokie. So there's a little thank you and a little sticker's been included, and I'm glad it's that one because it looks so much like the one I just had to cut up. Now the stickers that I have ordered are also in here. So sorry, little Jasmine sticker. So I just love her designs. They're just so happy. So these are my little Happy Mail stickers. So cute. And I got some medication ones. I thought they'd be cute for when I need a top up of my scripts. And of course, coffee, because I'm obsessed. They are just so cute. Okie dokie. A few other things that I got in here are these little coasters. Now, I drink iced coffee, if I haven't mentioned it before. I know I do on Instagram quite a lot, but in the hot weather here, there's just constant condensation coming off my glasses, and I thought these would be cute to have on my craft table while I'm crafting, just so that there's not as much condensation sitting on my craft mat, and so that it doesn't drip on my work as I'm trying to drink and create at the same time, because you got to do everything at once. But look at how cute they are. So this one's a little cinnamon bun, and this one is a spooky little board. It's just so cute. So they are probably going to live on my desk at all times. I also got these, and these might seem random. They're glasses cleaners, but I also thought they'd be perfect for all of my acrylic earrings. I've noticed that a lot of just like makeup and stuff ends up on my earrings by the time I'm finished wearing them. This one's adorable. This is the croissant microfiber cloth. Just so cute. I thought it might be good for my phone screen as well, since I'm constantly touching it and getting all sorts of materials on it while I am recording. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. And this one I've got as a gift to pop away for someone else. So that is everything that I ordered from Keepers of the Suns. A little bit of Crafty, a little bit of regular stuff. Just before I pack up completely, this little guy was stuck in the box. The box was a little bit bent, and holding this little one in there, and this is some Happy Mail washi tape. I thought I had ordered 2 washies, the whale shark and this one, and this is just adorable. And that is it for my unboxing, I think. I don't think I have any more parcels coming. That should be it for now. I'd love to know what your favorite thing was from this video, or if you've got some of the things that I've shown you, I'd love to know that too. Or maybe some of the things I've shown have ended up on your wish list. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.